Wellness at home. When you need to relax and enjoy personal spa services in your own private space, call Lavender Mobile Spa. Our professionally trained and licensed therapists will arrive at your home. Upholding the highest standards of sanitization and cleanliness. We are ready to take you to that serene place that you've come to enjoy with a home massage. Enjoy a soothing Swedish massage, hot stones, or a therapeutic deep tissue. Have it your way at your home with Lavender Mobile Spa.